Nikolai, how old are you? I'm in my 40s. I'm very young still. SB, all you can do is to try your best and it will happen. Of course, it will. That is what I'm doing now every day. I'm just trying to do my best. I'm just trying to do my best. And what happens, happens. And I always believe if it's God's plan for me that this channel will grow, it will grow. It's up to the Almighty God. He's the one who controls the channel, not me. Only God controls it. And he's the one who put me here. So he is the boss of the channel and he will let it grow. SB, a good day. Enjoy, and I hope you will go to 5K.